I really hate that guy so much. Well, today it's gonna end. I'm gonna kill that guy.
Jerk.
Oh no, this isn't good.
Stop! Stop! Ow! Get off of me! Get off!
Buddy, you gotta listen to me, man. You gotta
Listen to what? Yeah, that's right.
buddy, just...
Don't touch me! Hey, get off of me! Yeah. Yeah, stay down!
No.
What are you doing?
Just listen.
Listen to what?
Don't you remember? Don't you remember when I drew
No,
you?
not really.
I just look at you, and I see that evil look in your eyes.
Dude, I'm a doorknob.
And I knew this day was coming sometime. Don't you remember?
What are you
the day
talking
I drew
about?
you?
Nothing really comes to mind.
Think, man. Think back. Oh, you're gonna be such a good doorknob, bud.
I can't believe this!
That's right, doorknob.
Oh my god!
I drew your face around your big doorknob nose.
I don't know what to say!
And it's just sad to me now. Can you? Are we cool, buddy?
I love you!
I love you too, doorknob nose.
I love you so much!